Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Notion project templates for consulting clients step by step clearly. Open Notion and create a new page. Title the page Consulting Client Project Templates. Begin by outlining the sections you'll need for your templates. Consider including sections like project overview, timeline, deliverables, and notes. Once you have your outline, start filling in each section with placeholder text. In the project overview section, add a brief description of what the project entails. For the timeline section, create a simple table with columns for task, start date, due date, and status. In the deliverables section, list the key outputs your client can expect from the project. Add a notes section for any additional comments or information. Now that you have the basic structure, it's time to customize the design. Use Notion's formatting options to highlight important titles and sections. Consider adding icons to enhance the visual appeal of your templates. To make your template reusable, click on the top right menu and select Duplicate. Rename the duplicated page to Client Project Template. This will help you track multiple projects at once. Add properties to your database such as client name, status, and deadline. Next, link each project to the corresponding template for easy access. Once you're satisfied with the setup, test the template by duplicating it for a mock project. Fill in the details to ensure everything functions as planned. Make any adjustments based on your testing. Finally, share the template with your consulting team for feedback. Once finalized, you'll be ready to implement these templates with your clients. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.